guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new and you happen to like my videos, please subscribe. If you are returning, thanks for stopping by again. I appreciate all of you guys, but let's go ahead and get started with this recipe. First things first, you will need a chuck roast. In my case, I'm using 2 of them since I'm putting them in 2 separate crock pots. And I'm cooking for a few people, so I just want to make sure I have enough. You want to take that chuck roast and cook it on each side to create a nice crust, and this is pretty simple. You just want to make sure that it's cooking well and it doesn't burn. Next, as you can tell, I've taken a stick of butter and I've placed it on top of the roast, and you do this once you've already placed it in the crock pot. So after that, you just want to take a packet of, I think it's called like au jus or something like that. You want to take a packet of that and ranch dressing powder and sprinkle it on top. So this is what I think makes it an actual Mississippi pot roast and kind of sets it aside from other types of pot roasts. But you want to take, I think it's called a pepperoncini. I think that's right. I don't even know. So you just want to put that on top of the pot roast, and you can actually add in some juice to it, and it gives the best flavor. And it is a little bit spicy. I think it's fine for me, but other people might consider it has a little bit of heat to it, but I absolutely love it. Alright, so at this point, the next thing you want to do is just put the lid on it, and I'm going to actually just cut up some potatoes and put some baby carrots in it. And at this point, you'll want to do the actual veggies about 2 hours after you've let the pot roast cook. So once you've done that, you're pretty much set. And I made one other thing to go along with the pot roast, and it's some squash that I sauteed in an actual pan. But that's another video if you guys want to see it. Comment down below. I will talk to you guys later.